I know a lot of people have been struggling to earn money online. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Digistore24. I'm going to show you how to use free traffic, and I'm also going to show you how to use paid traffic as well. So if you're new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online with CPA and affiliate marketing. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can start earning money in passive income with affiliate marketing. So moving on to today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Digistore24. And for those who don't know how to create an account on Digistore24, I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can check out that video on how to create a fully functional Digistore24 account. The first step is to look for a product that is currently making money, and a typical example of that type of product is this ultimate keto meal plan right here. As you can see, this product has 4 out of 5 star rating right here, which tells you a lot of affiliates are currently making money promoting this product for a very long time. And you can see this product is going to pay you $24 for every sale you make. Keep in mind, you don't have to use this product. You can use any product from any of these categories right here. I'm only taking this as an example to illustrate how I do this process. Okay, so now we are going to take this product here as an example. So the next step is to come over to this section that says affiliate support page. So you want to click on that. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and you want to scroll to the very bottom of this page where you are going to see materials that have been provided to you by the vendor of this product that you can use to make money on Digistore24. All right, as you can see, they have creatives for Facebook ads, for YouTube ads, and they also have materials for Google search ads. So for the purpose of simplicity, I'm going to show you how to use only the video ads in this video. So now we are going to take this Facebook as an example. So you want to click on this, I want to run Facebook ads. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page. As you can see, the vendor of this product has provided you with 3 video creatives that you can use to earn money promoting this product. So once you get to this page, all you need to do is to click on this, and you'll be able to download these videos. So once you've downloaded this video to your device, the next step is to start driving traffic and start making money. So I'm going to show you the first way to make money using free traffic. The first free traffic source I'm going to be showing you is rumble.com. This is a video sharing platform like YouTube, but it's not as popular as YouTube, and that tells you that you can capitalize on the traffic this website gets, as not so many affiliate marketers will be competing with you on this platform. So what you want to do is to create an account by clicking on the sign up button. So once you've created your account on rumble.com, you'll be able to upload videos to this platform as well. So once you do that, you'll see this section that says upload video. So once you do that, you want to give the video a very captivating title that would make people want to check out the video. So you want to type in something simple like this: delicious and healthy keto recipes. All right, so once you do that, all you need to do from here is to then go back to your Digistore24 account, and you want to copy your affiliate link. So once you grab the link, you want to shorten the link. You can use any URL shortener of your choice to shorten this link, and all you need to do is to copy the shortened link, and you want to paste the link in the description of the video. Of course, you want to add a call to action to entice people to check out this link. So you want to type in something very simple like this: grab the complete keto diet cookbook while it is still available here. Okay, so once people watch this video, as you can see, the video is talking about keto diet, and now they can see they can have access to the complete keto diet cookbook if they click on this link. And once they click on the link, it's going to bring them to this page, as you can see right here, where this person is talking about what they are going to get from this product. And now if they decide to purchase this product, you make $24. All you need is 5 people a day. You will be making $100 promoting just this product. So once you've done this, all you need to do is to scroll down and click on upload video. You want to repeat this same process for all the videos they've provided to you on the affiliate resource page. Okay, so once you do that, you want to head over to this website as well, bitshoot.com. You want to upload the same video as you want to get as many views as you can on your videos. And the more views you get on your video, the more likely people will check out the landing page, and the more money you can potentially make. And don't forget, YouTube still remains the best traffic source when it comes to video marketing. So you want to make sure to upload the same video to YouTube as well. YouTube is the #1 platform when it comes to video sharing content. All right. So all you need to do is to make sure to upload the video to Rumble. You want to upload it to BitChute as well, and also youtube.com. So these are the 3 platforms you want to upload your videos to. And now for a paid strategy, all you need to do is to head over to facebook.com, and you want to come over to the search section and you want to type in keto diet. So once you type that, you want to scroll down to where it says groups. You want to look for groups dedicated to this niche. As you can see, this niche has thousands of members in these groups. Okay, you can see this first one right here, over 800,000 members in this group alone. You can see the second one, over 300,000. So I'm going to take this one here as an example. So once you click on this section, and no, we are not going to be spamming any link on this Facebook group. What you are going to do is very simple. So once you come over to this group, all you need to do is to come over to this section that says people. So once you click on this, as you can see, first of all, you are going to be shown the admin. You will be shown the admin of this group. So all you need to do is to click on this, and you will be able to send a message to the admin of this group. As you can see, this is the admin of the group. So you want to send the admin a very simple message like this, and I'm just making this at the top of my head. Feel free to change this message however you like it. As you can see, it says hello admin. You can change this to the name of the admin. We are thrilled to introduce our revolutionary keto product that maximizes the results of keto diet effortlessly. All right, we would like to pay for a promo on your group. What are your rates? So keep in mind, like I said, this is a paid strategy. If you have some money, you want to send a message like this to the admins of these groups. And keep in mind, this group has over 800,000 members, as you can see right here. So even if they charge you $100 to promote on this group, keep in mind you are getting your post in front of these people. So once you are on the admin, come to a rate. So all you need to do is to go back to the affiliate resource page, and you want to upload these videos. All right. So once you upload this video on the Facebook group, you want to make sure to include the shortened affiliate link as well. And keep in mind, this product costs $24. So all you need is 5 people, and you've already made your money back. With this huge amount of members, then definitely you will make more than that. So this is a very simple paid strategy that you can use if you have some money for it. And that brings us to the end of today's video. And make sure to click on the 2 videos on your screen right now for more ways to earn money with Digistore24. And with that said, if you find any value in this video, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.